Hello, and welcome to Donation Investment. This analysis is for AbCellera Biologics on NASDAQ as of 7th of August 2026 with a share price of $6.53. The full report is on donation.ca. Side a hold on the short and medium view, an imminent, genuinely binary ABCL635 Phase 2 readout, expected this month. Caps both at hold, however bullish the tape has turned. The long-term call stays a buy, resting on a validated antibody-discovery platform and more than 3 years of net cash. Accumulate on weakness for the longer term. The long-term thesis rests on two things. First, the discovery engine keeps winning top-tier mandates, Eli Lilly, Jazz, and now Vertex, with more than $112 million of new T-cell engager deals signed in the second quarter across 100-plus partner programs. Second, an unusually large net cash balance sheet, over $565 million of cash and securities, more than $675 million in total liquidity, and a current ratio near 13. The finance chief reaffirmed more than 3 years of runway and no near-term dilution. That funds the pipeline without leaning on the market. Valuation is the reason the setup is now merely fair rather than a clear bargain. The stock trades at about 2.6 times cash and 2.2 times book. The 16% move erased the obvious discount that existed at $5.61. Price to book richened from 1.83 to 2.23. There is still genuine analyst upside. The conservative FMP consensus sits at $8, and Yahoo's Fuller 8 analyst panel means $10.50. And roughly 22% of the price is cash, a hard floor under the shares. But at $6.53, the easy value has been paid for. One event dominates the near term. ABCL635, a non-hormonal drug for menopausal hot flashes, has a Phase 2 top line expected this month. Genuinely binary, with a move of more than 20% likely either way. It is the key catalyst and the key risk in the same breath. The tape has turned strongly bullish, timing improved to 62, and the technical entry path is now open, which is why entry conviction lifts to half size. But that single gate caps both the short and medium signals at hold, regardless of how good the chart looks. You do not want to guess a coin flip. Now, the other side of the ledger, binary trial, ABCL635. PH2 miss could sink shares more than 20%. Late entrant versus approved Veoza and Linkuet in VMS. Pre-revenue and cash burning. Net loss $55.4 million in Q2. Reported revenue lumpy. 76% YOY, missed estimates. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 68% above today. The base case, the most likely, about 3%. And the bear case a fall of about 35%. So you are risking about 35 to make 68. So, our call on AbCellera Biologics on NASDAQ, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donation Investment at donation.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.